fall's officially here. And I can tell that pretty soon, it's gonna be colder than a snowman's nose. Calamity Jane here from Mimic. And around these parts, it's time to start thinking about winterizing. The best place to start is to make sure you have clear gutters and downspouts. Your roof gets battered all year by wind, weather, and debris. So if you can do it safely, clear those, or contact a licensed professional to help. Next up, or rather down, is your basement. Round up a qualified technician to inspect your furnace. And if you see any exposed water pipes, get some insulation on them lickety-split. If you are planning on going out of state or leaving your home for an extended period, make sure to shut the water off and empty the water lines before leaving to prevent frozen pipes. Just leaving the heat on can sometimes not be enough. If a storm comes through and your electricity goes off, your pipes could freeze and burst. Looky here, the caulking on this window needs fixing. Cold air and rain could get in. Check all your windows, and while you've got that caulk gun handy, see if your sinks, tubs, and toilets need a fix too. It's also a great time to put some fresh batteries in your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. All this is a great start to making sure your home's ready to ride out the winter. Well, I'm off like a tumbleweed. Till next time.